Trust me, you're gonna wanna hear this. This is called a flipper or a 1 to 2 tooth partial denture, and it's removable so that it's easy to put on and take off. And these days, they look so real that you can truly change your smile. Unfortunately, if you go through a typical dentist, the whole procedure costs around $1,500. A very affordable and great option for those that need a partial denture without even having to go to the dentist's office is ResetSmile. This is a service that creates removable partial dentures at less than half the price of what you'd pay at the dentist's office. These are dentist-prescribed, custom-fabricated partial dentures that are 3D printed using Valplast, which is the same high-quality material that has been used by dentists for more than 70 years. And these come out as a perfect match to your teeth without ever leaving home. This is 100% safe. A licensed dentist reviews and approves your case virtually and approves your ResetSmile device before it goes out to you. And if the fit isn't perfect, they will provide you with hassle-free options for adjusting or remaking your device. It can be made in just 3 simple steps, all from the comfort of your home. Step 1, go online and take a short quiz. Step 2, in 2 to 4 days, you'll get a simple at-home impression kit, which takes only 20 minutes to complete. When you're done, you ship back your impressions with a prepaid envelope. And then step 3, you'll get your custom-made partial denture shipped back to you within 2 weeks of sending your impression in. No need for in-office appointments. The whole process takes about 4 weeks, and it's such an affordable price, it's really a no-brainer.